Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you this new AI that you can use to make money while doing affiliate marketing. Yes, this is a new AI tool online, and the good news about it, it's free. You don't have to pay anything to start using it as long as you follow a step-by-step tutorial. Time is Deepseek, yes. And if you don't know what Deepseek is an AI like ChatGPT. You can use it to simplify your work through research. It can help you in your content creation, and it can help you through your affiliate marketing journey. So this is how we are going to use Deepseek in this video. It's the simple and the easiest way that you can try and start earning money with DeepSeek. If you're wondering how am I going to get to DeepSeek, you just come to Google and type in DeepSeek, and the good thing about it is free to use. Yes, you just come here and type in DeepSeek, and you sign up using your email address and your password. And when you are done with that, you come inside DeepSeek, and the next thing that we are going to do, since we've got our DeepSeek account, we are going to come on this platform, which is digital 420 store, to find a product that we are going to promote. Yes, and here you also need an email address and a password to sign up. Yes, but if you are in places where they allow clickbank, then you can go ahead and use clickbank. Is good. It has been there for over 25 years. Yes, and they have paid this over 6.6 billion paid to affiliate marketers. Yes, and it has a good reputation, but in the place I am in right now, I can't access it. But if you're in a place where you can access it, then this is a win-win for you. You can go ahead and use this one. But if you are in a place where it's not supported like me, you can go with the digital store 24, and there are also many others. It depends on the product that you want to promote. Yes, so I'll always advise you go with the healthy niche, because in the healthy niche, it's trending every time. People always want to buy something for their health to feel good and better. And for that, I'm going to go with these supplements. And if you're wondering how did I get these products, you just come here and click where it says marketplace. Then when you click on marketplace, you will come here and find out the products that you want. If you want to promote this one, yes, you can go ahead and promote that. This is the one that I chose, I want to promote. But if you want to promote this, you can go ahead, you go around and scroll down and see the one that you want to promote. Yes, so I'll go with this one. It is for slimming. Yes, and if you want to know more about the product, you click here where it says sales page, and it will bring you to this page, which is the sales page. This is where people are going to land to the moment they click on their link. And when they click to this website, they purchase something or buy something, you are going to get money into your digital store 24. Yes, and you can earn your money through your local bank account or through Pioneer. Yes, and other payment methods that are supported on this platform. So what you do, you come here and click promo link. You click on it and you copy that link. Then we have copied that link. Then our next step is to go back to DeepSync, since we have found out the product that we are going to promote, and you will come on DeepSync and put in your prompt. Yes, the prompt that you want this AI to help you with. I've already put in mine. I have put it, please write me a blog about this product and make it SEO based and keyword based. Yes. The reason why I put in SEO and keyword based, because I want my product to rank higher. Yes, if you do anything online and you are not using SEO or keywords, you are leaving too much money on the table. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter so that it can go ahead to start writing for me. Yes, so that it can go ahead and start writing for me. As you can see, it has written for me. Now it has written the title, the introduction. Yes, and we'll wait for it to finish. Yes, we'll wait for it to finish. Yes, it will write for you everything all the way to down. So you take some time, you wait until it finishes, and it does not take long. So as this AI is writing, don't forget to give me a like. If this video is giving you value, don't forget to comment, to subscribe to this channel, and to press that bell notification. Yes. So as you can see, it has written and even it has given us a conclusion. Yes. And this is how our blog is going to look like. We are going to promote our product through a blog, but there are also other ways that you can promote your affiliate offers that I've talked about on this platform. So I'll just come here and click on copy. I'll just go ahead and copy this. Yes, I would advise you, you can put this, your document or your blog first in docs, yes, in Google Docs, so that you can go ahead and edit it and add in a human touch. Yes, you can go ahead and edit it, add in a human touch, remove all the mistakes that Deepseek has done. Deepseek is an AI, so it can be perfect like a human being. Yes, they also sometimes mess up and make mistakes. That's why it's always good to review your work that AI has given you, not just copying and pasting, because there you will not get views, you will not get money, you will not get people to click your products, because they will know this is with AI. You've not even read through it. So you just come here, paste your you just come here, paste your blog that they have written for you, edit it, remove some mistakes. Yes, put in what you want, and after that, when you finish editing everything, you will just go ahead and go back to the place where we're going to post your blog, and you will start putting in your link and everything as you want. So as you can see, so this is how our blog looks like. Yes, but the place we are going to use to promote our blog is this website, which is called Medium. Yes, and if you are there, you don't know about Medium. Medium is a place where people write, and those people who write more, they even get a chance to get paid for their blogs. Like Medium is the YouTube for blogs. Yes, like YouTube, you post content, they pay you. Then on Medium, you post blogs, they pay you for your blogs, and at the same time, you make money from your affiliate links that you put in your blogs. If a person reads your blog and they really like it, they can go ahead and purchase from it, and also Medium as a platform will pay you for your stories. Yes, so I already have an account with Medium. I'm using it myself too, but you can go ahead and sign up. And as you can see, people, and the good thing about Medium, they also do email marketing. Anybody who is on Medium, they'll be sending them blogs, they'll be sending them emails about the blogs that are trending. As you can see, this blog is it has reached over 16.9k views. This has reached over 3k. So it depends on you. This is about health. Yes. So if you want to come and write, we'll click here where it says write. When we click here where it says write, we are going to come here, paste in our blog that Deepseek has just generated for us. We'll click there and paste. Then I assume that you already edited your blog on the Google Doc that you did. Yes, so that's how our blog will look like. Because I don't want the video to get any longer, you are supposed to edit your blog, add in your affiliate links properly. As you can see, this is the affiliate link. You can add here the name of your product. Yes, you can do that step here on the Google Doc that you opened. You edit everything nice and clear, then you go ahead and paste it on Medium. But I don't want the video to get longer. So if you want to spice up your blog and make it more beautiful and fun, then you can come to websites like Pixabay. You can come to websites like Pixabay or Pixels and add some images. Yes, and add some images like that. You can come to websites like that, add some images. Yes, and your blog will look more fine and more better. Yes, because also pictures speak to people. So when you add pictures like that, it will make your blog feel touching, and you can also add in the pictures about your product. Yes, that's also another way that you can make your blog more fun and more interesting using. Also, this is a free website that you can use. Then when you are done with that and you want to get traffic ASAP and very quickly, that you want people to start coming to your blog, because if you post it there and you don't promote it, people will not come there. Remember, you are just new to the business, but there are those people who have been there, people know them, they'll just go and buy. But if you are new and you want to get sales quickly, then I would advise you sign up this platform like Pinterest. Yes, you sign up here, and as you can see here on Pinterest, people create pins. I've also done a dedicated video about Pinterest. Now you can see people always come here, they create pins and they promote their blog articles. Yes, and as you can see on all these blogs, they put this, which is a link. So when a person clicks on this link, it will lead them to the blog that we have created. Yes, so when they finish reading through, they can go ahead and also purchase the products in the blog. So that's how you're going to make money quick and easily with Deepseek. Yes, so if this video has given you value, please don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe, and to give me a thumbs up. See you at the top.